Which type of muscle cell is characteristically branched and interconnected by intercalated discs? Cardiac muscle cell, smooth muscle cell, skeletal muscle fiber, myoepithelial cell. And the correct answer is option A, that is cardiac muscle cell. High milk producing dairy animals typically show a body conformation that widens from front to rear, giving a characteristic rectangular shape, square shape, wedge shape, cylindrical shape. And the correct answer is option C, that is wedge shape. Accumulation of blood in the dependent parts of the body due to gravity, especially after death or prolonged immobility, is termed congestion, hyperemia, hemorrhage, hypostasis. And the correct answer is option D, that is hypostasis. The unidirectional movement of lymph within lymphatic vessels ultimately carries it toward the arteries, veins, capillaries, nerves. And the correct answer is option B, that is veins. Chromosomes are maximally condensed and tightly coiled, making them most clearly visible for karyotyping during which mitotic stage? Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. And the correct answer is option B, that is metaphase. For newly hatched chicks, during the first week of life, the recommended brooding temperature at chick level is approximately 25 degrees Celsius, 30 degrees Celsius, 35 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Celsius. And the correct answer is option C, that is 35 degrees Celsius. Compared to ampicillin, amoxicillin has better oral bioavailability primarily because it has higher protein binding, greater acid stability and absorption, longer elimination half-life, broader anaerobic activity. And the correct answer is option B, that is greater acid stability and absorption. Under optimal laboratory growth conditions, the approximate generation time of Escherichia coli is 5 minutes, 20 minutes, 2 hours, 24 hours. And the correct answer is option B, that is 20 minutes. The embryonic paramesonephric duct that develops into the female reproductive tract is also known as the Wolffian duct, Urachus, Allantoic duct, Mullerian duct. And the correct answer is option D, that is Mullerian duct. During immediate hypersensitivity reactions, mast cell degranulation rapidly releases which primary vasoactive mediator? Histamine, serotonin, heparin, prostaglandin. And the correct answer is option A, that is histamine. In cases of excessive anticoagulation caused by heparin administration, which agent is used as a specific antidote? Vitamin K, protamine sulfate, atropine, naloxone. And the correct answer is option B, that is protamine sulfate. Approximately how much blood must pass through the mammary gland to synthesize 1 liter of milk in dairy animals? 100 liter, 200 liter, 300 liter, 400 liter. And the correct answer is option D, that is 400 liter. The scientific name assigned to the largest living flightless bird, commonly known as the ostrich, is Struthiocamelus, Rhea americana, Dromaeus novi-hollandi, Cassoreus cassoreus. And the correct answer is option A, that is Struthiocamelus. During artificial incubation of chicken eggs, the recommended temperature in this sector for proper embryonic development is approximately 34 degrees Celsius, 36 degrees Celsius, 37.5 degrees Celsius, 39.5 degrees Celsius. And the correct answer is option C, that is 35 degrees Celsius. Intestinal infection with Ascaris leads to poor growth, partly because the parasite competes directly with the host for blood, glucose, oxygen, bile salts. And the correct answer is option B, that is glucose. During DNA replication and transcription, the enzyme that transiently cuts one strand of the DNA helix to relieve supercoiling and then reseals it is helicase, DNA ligase, DNA polymerase, topoisomerase 1. And the correct answer is option D, that is topoisomerase 1. A moist, infected form of the tissue necrosis characterized by putrefaction and foul odor typically shows what grass color change? Pale white, dry black, greenish black, bright red. And the correct answer is option C, that is greenish black. The cellular process by which genetic information encoded in DNA is copied into a complementary messenger RNA strand is known as transcription, translation, replication, translocation. And the correct answer is option A, that is transcription. The normal specific gravity of cow's milk at room temperature typically lies within which range? 0.9802 to 0.995, 1.0102 to 1.020, 1.028 to 1.034, 1.050 to 1.060. And the correct answer is option C, that is 1.028 to 1.034. Newcastle disease virus belongs to a viral group characterized by a non-segmented, single-stranded, negative sense RNA genome, typical of orthomyxoviruses, retroviruses, reoviruses, paramyxoviruses. And the correct answer is option D, that is paramyxoviruses.